In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset on MyFitnessPal, step by step. Think of this as giving your daily food log a fresh start without changing your account, goals, or profile. We'll walk through clearing the entries in your diary for the day so you can begin again with a clean slate. First, open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. If you're not already signed in, tap Login. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so your changes sync correctly across devices. When the sign-in screen appears, enter your usual login details and proceed to log in. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard and can continue from there. Once you're on the dashboard, tap Diary. This is where you'll see your meals, snacks, exercise, and other logged items for the current day. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct date at the top, especially if you're resetting a specific day. Next, look to the upper right corner and tap the three dots. This opens a small menu with more options. From that menu, choose Edit Diary. Depending on your device, you might see slightly different wording, but you're looking for the option that lets you make changes to multiple entries at once. Now tap Select All. This highlights all the entries currently listed for the day. If you only want to remove certain items, you could select those individually instead, but for a full reset of the day, Select All is the quickest route. With your entry selected, tap the delete icon at the top. It usually looks like a small trash can. You'll see a prompt asking you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm by tapping delete. This permanently removes the selected items for that day, so be sure you're comfortable with the change before you proceed. After a moment, your diary should appear empty for the day you're viewing, ready for you to log fresh meals, workouts, and notes. Nothing else in your account is affected. Your goals, streaks, and profile remain the same. If you're clearing another day, simply change the date at the top of the diary and repeat the same process. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you use connected devices or apps, give the app a second to sync so you don't see old entries reappear. And if you only needed to tidy up a few items, remember, you can always edit or remove individual entries without selecting everything. That's it. Your diary is reset and you're ready to start clean. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.